Welcome to TeachersFlow, the platform that helps teachers create smarter, faster, and more personalized learning experiences. My name is Mia, and I'll be your guide throughout this tutorial series. In the last video, we went through a quick overview of what you will learn in this tutorial. This is the first video where we'll explore step 1 of mastering TeachersFlow. Together, we'll set up our classroom, add individual students, and explore the interface where we can add our students, track their progress over time, and see all their records like assessments and activities they participated in. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I already have one group over here. It's called Math Club. Let's create a new group called Group 1. You can simply type the name over here, click the Create Group button, and the group is created. Whenever you want, you can delete the group or click Edit to add your first student. To add a student, just write their name and click Add Student. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll create just 3 students, for example, John, Olivia, and Lucas. As you can see, if I click on John, I can add a grade for him. Whenever you add a grade, you just have to fill out a simple form, add the name, for example, Test 1, and then the grade percentage. In TeachersFlow, because of various learning styles from teachers all over the world, we have this simple grading mechanic where you simply add a percentage. 0 is the worst, and 100 is the best. With this feature, you can track progress over time. Over here, you can also choose a time period of the graph. Later in the tutorial series, we will explore activities like quizzes where you can even have automatic grading, which is also saved right here. I would also like you to see my previous group, Math Club. I already have some records over here. So, for example, let's click on Ava. As you can see, there are a bunch of grades already. You can see the average, the trend of how she is doing. And there are also all records from previous activities and assessments we created for Ava. For example, there's anonymous voting when we, as a class, we're voting on what to do in the next lesson. You can also see some assessments I created for her. You can filter all records by assessments or activities or by their name. In activities, you can add notes to each submission. Note can be a short feedback or some comment. You can automatically create these notes on the activities page with AI. But that's something I'll show you later in future videos. You can add or edit assessments whenever you want or delete any record. To rename the group, just go back to the overview of students and click this button. The last thing I wanted to show you is the Export Assessments section, where you can filter assessments and then export them all in docx format. So this is it for the first step of our tutorial, where I showed you how to operate with the groups page in TeachersFlow. It can seem complicated, but you will understand everything after future tutorials where we will explore activities and assessment generator. In those, we will be saving records for students and also using the groups page. I'm excited to see you in the next video where we will set up your teaching goals.